Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel and a very warm welcome if you're new. I have a very exciting video for you guys today. A little while ago, my doll friends and I decided to have another box swap collab in 2026. The theme is mythical / magical creatures, and we wanted to send each other both a base doll to work on and supplies to use for the doll based on our preferences. We did it Secret Santa style in a big circle, where we know who we're sending a box to, but we don't know who and where our box will be from. Well, to be honest, because I hosted it and paired everyone up, I did know who my package was from, but that didn't make the surprise any less special. Since not everyone's received their boxes yet, I won't mention who I sent a box to. Hopefully that avoids spoilers for those still waiting for their packages. So, without further ado, let's unbox a very special package from the US. My Secret Santa was the talented SilverGryphon, and my goodness was the box she sent full to the brim.
It is large. It doesn't even fit in the frame, but sneak peek.
Let's put it to one side and take a look at what she sent me. First off, we have Lindt chocolate bowls. I love these things, and we don't get this flavor over here in South Africa. The packaging is so festive. Next, she sent me some gorgeous sparkly acrylic yarn.
Oh, this is so pretty.
We also have some pink ribbon, some white lacy fringe trim, and this adorable bookmark. It feels really nice. It must be made out of some kind of faux leather.
It has a little puppy on it. Oh, so cute.
I love animals, so this is a great gift.
A little mystery baggie.
This little cotton bag contains some gorgeous metal charms of stars and unicorns, which I adore, and some sparkly rhinestones.
Oh, this is gonna be such a sparkly doll. Oh my gosh. I love that one. Ooh. Oh!
The bag also contains some miniature fantasy creatures.
Are they all dragons? Oh no, they're not. I thought they were all dragons, but if you peek in right over here, there's a teeny tiny little unicorn. Oh, and a Pegasus. Oh.
I was very enamored by these tiny horses. Can you tell I like them? The last item in the mystery pouch were these pink and purple cat-shaped erasers that my camera refused to focus on properly. The heads can come off, but that means they can swivel and pose, which is kind of fun.
Oh, so grumpy.
Griff also sent me an insane amount of fabric, starting with this beautiful white one. At first I thought it just had some very subtle shimmers until...
Oh, it's so much more sparkly than I was looking at the wrong side. Oh, look. Oh, it's really pretty. Ooh, so glittery.
Speaking of shiny, she also included this amazing silver netting. I was not kidding when I said this doll would be sparkly. I'm gonna have to find a way to include this somehow. Next up, we have some rose gold sequins. A very cool addition to my collection of fabrics because I don't own anything like this.
This would be such a good mermaid tail.
We also got some pretty lavender tulle, which my camera also didn't want to focus on for some reason. Some gorgeous patterned cottons. And two types of baby pink silky satiny kind of fabrics that I don't know the names of.
This is not even like half of it. There's still more in this box, which is actually insane.
I am overwhelmed with how generous Griff was with this box. I could make hundreds of dolls with the amount of fabric she sent me. She also sent such a big variety, like this pink organza type material with silver and holographic sparkles on it, these patterned cotton fabrics that look almost like water, some more gorgeously silky silver fabric, and aqua tulle with dots of glitter on it. As if that wasn't already generous enough, at the bottom of the box I found iridescent tinsel, which looks great whenever it's mixed in with a doll's hair.
Oh, it's gonna be the prettiest doll with the prettiest hair. I feel like I've gotta make a unicorn, right? Right?
And finally, we have our base doll, a G3 Draculaura from the Scaradise Island lineup. She's one of the dolls without the chest articulation, which I honestly kind of prefer. I love Draculaura, she's so pretty. But what happened to her nose?
Oh. It's okay, we can fix you.
And with that, our haul is complete. I think SilverGryphon did an amazing job matching my preferences with everything she sent me. Everything is gorgeous and I am beyond grateful that she took the time to curate such a lovely box for me. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing, and I hope you're as excited as I am to see what doll I end up making with this magnificent hoard. Keep an eye on the channel for a doll customizing video in the future, and please go show my collab partners some love as well. I'll leave links to their channels and socials in the description box below. And as always, stay golden! I'll see you next time. Bye!
The box fell. Mayday!